Argentinian Iguazu! So we are finally at St. Martin's. Oh my god! It's totally crazy! Look at that waterfall! Where are you, Tintini? Look at the waterfalls! What's that? Argentinian Iguazu! It's crazy, just crazy. Look at the power of that water! Holy name of G! Oh my god, Tintini! Minduni! Let's go that side now where we saw the devil's throat. God almighty, just look at the power of that water. Oh, it's all misty, you can't see anything now. It's just crazy, man. Wow. That's crazy. Oh my god. You can hardly even see the waterfall, the mist is so much. Oh, it's just crazy. It's crazy. Crazy world, crazy waterfall. Oh, there you can see it now, the mist is cleared. And again it's getting misty. We are in the Iguazu rainforest in Iguazu Waterfall. And it's totally crazy, baby. Merry Christmas, everyone! We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
Welcome to
and a Happy New Year. Whoa! Look at that. It's crazy. It's totally crazy. Look at that waterfall. Holy moly. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. It's falling at that pace and that height. Just crazy. So we are finally at St. Martin's waterfall, and look at how magnificent it is. And that's so beautiful. And we walked all the way from there, from the beginning, seen all those waterfalls, all of them, Adam and Eve, Buguia, and now we've come to the last one, St. Martin's. 4-kilometer walk, and there's Mama and Tintin, quite exhausted. Tintin, which one is this?
Sold to St. Martin.
St. Martin. So you walked all 4 kilometers coming to the end. Lovely, lovely job. Where are you, Tintini? Look at the waterfalls. What's that one called? These are the same falls we saw yesterday from that side, from the Brazilian side, and now we are on this side. And look how beautiful it is. And there's my beautiful wife, who is obsessed with herself, taking one photograph after the other. Now I want you to hold this camera and point it towards me. Yeah. So, I give you, come this side, the Iguazu Falls, the mighty Iguazu River falling and creating this absolutely fantastic cascade. A Cascades Magnifico. Cascades Magnifico. fallen down and is quite sad. And that is the waterfall. We saw all of that from that pink house over there yesterday. That's Hotel Carataras. And today we are walking on the Superior Trail. And we are going to walk all the way to the end of the waterfall there. Just fantastic feeling, fantastic sights. It's just absolutely brilliant stuff. Really, so beautiful. And that's St. Martin's Island in the middle. And there's the boat ride, the boat at the bottom there, we can see that. Bindu couldn't go because less than 12 years weren't allowed. And that's Iguazu Rainforest. Fascinating. Just fascinating and fantastic. That's brilliant. And now we're going to walk on this trail. We're going to walk all the way now from this side to, we're going to see St. Martin's, which is that one over there. And that's absolutely fabulous. That's what Iguazu Falls are all about. Magnificent views and multiple waterfalls. So, I'll catch you from that side. Adios. Oh my God! You can hardly even see the waterfall. The mist is so much. Oh, it's just crazy.